Future Textile tells a global story of comfort and quality, one thread at a time. Future Textile Co spans 10,000 square meters with over 300 employees and 100 plus technical professionals. We're a full-spectrum home textile enterprise, covering R&D, design, manufacturing, and international trade. Equipped with advanced bedding production lines, covering weaving, cutting, sewing, quilting, and embroidery, Future ensures high efficiency and consistent quality in every product. Our bedding sets use high thread count cotton, tencel, and modal, natural fabrics that are breathable, moisture-wicking, and luxuriously soft, delivering a cloud-like sleeping experience. Rooted in European and American simplicity, our designs balance modern tones with timeless patterns, from urban minimalism to rustic chic, from Nordic styles to neo-Chinese elegance. Catering to diverse aesthetics, each bedding set is crafted through refined processes, elegant jacquard textures, three-dimensional embroidery, even quilt stitching, and complete accessories with clean, structured seams. Using eco-friendly dyes, our colors stay vivid after multiple washes. With resilient filling and reinforced zippers and piping, the sets are both elegant and long-lasting, ideal for homes, hotels, and apartments. Thanks to premium materials and original design, our bedding sets are favored by global buyers, widely used in retail, custom interior projects, and hospitality sectors. Future has obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OSHS 18001 certifications, ensuring that every product meets global standards of quality and sustainability. With energy-efficient equipment and clean energy, we champion green manufacturing and sustainable development, living by the belief that lucid waters and lush mountains are invaluable assets. Thread by thread, we build comfort into homes across the world. Our greatest pride lies in the smiles and loyalty of satisfied customers. Future Textile, built on trust, driven by design, and committed to warming the world, one bedding set at a time.